So hello mates, how are you? I hope you guys doing well. So let us discuss a few things which are related to AI. Before revealing the topic, I would like to just say you how this idea of topic popped out in my mind. Okay, have you guys have seen Iron Man movie?
No,
Don't you know Iron Man?
I
Don't you
know.
know the frictional character Tony Stark?
I don't
So
know.
let me explain it to you. There is a frictional character. He is Tony Stark. Uh, he's just an engineer and a scientist. He'll just build the techie things. Uh, and I have took him as an inspiration and I have built a personal AI assistant, which is integrated with our personal lives. So, does that affect our jobs or it won't affect our jobs? That's the point here. I think you guys got me. Okay. So, Lalitesh, what do you think? What do you think of AI or personal assist AI?
So AI may destroy our jobs in the entry level jobs. Like for those who doesn't level up their skills being came into the company, so they can't do anything. They need to leverage their skills about
Yes,
AI.
I think you are saying that a person who is not much involved in tech, it can help, right? Okay. Pradap?
Actually, my perception is AI is a job creator. AI is a some jobs are maybe disappear. History says technology changes also create a new type of employment. I think is a real challenge is a skill development and adoption. AI creates a such a roles, AI engineers, cyber security professionals. We can build a business and services using AI. It helps to us complete work faster. That is
Yeah,
the my
I got your
question.
point. You are
Yes.
saying the baseline should be our knowledge, the above building should be AI. Yeah, I
Yes.
completely got you, Pratap.
Yes.
Yeah, Chandan?
Yakshar and all. I think A is a job creator and also a job destroyer. Because why I'm saying it's a job destroyer because there are some entry level jobs like data entry and some of the graphic designing, the entry level jobs like graphic designing. Uh, these these are done by AI. Nowadays these are easily done by AI, and it is replacing the human enforcement basically. And also AI is a human helper basically. It's a human helper, and it helps us for making our work a little easier, not a little but more easier. That's what my perception is.
I want to add a point here. So when we choose anything, it has advantages as well as disadvantages. Now coming to the thing we competed here is artificial intelligence. Uh, Artificial intelligence can destroy or create the jobs. It can destroy the repetitive jobs, and it can create the new jobs for cyber security and data science and many jobs.
I think we guys are not talking about the whole AI. We are talking about the AI which is useful for our engineers, right? So we are talking about the AI which is used for engineers. So we are upcoming engineers, right? So being an upcoming engineer, how do you use AI, Mr. Abdul?
Uh, well, I use it for technical enhancement of my skills. Regarding this, I could enhance my resume and everything, and thus this helps me to create more opportunities regarding to the companies that consult me based on my resume. Okay, I think that's it.
Yeah, I got you. You're saying that you'll use it for resume. I mean, as madam has mentioned some points, right, while preparing resume. How can AI do? I mean, like enhancement to your resume. What do you think of it?
I would I would like to add a point
Yeah.
that even government and some other organizations should enhance about AI and awareness about AI, what it may gonna do our life and everything. So this makes AI or the awareness about AI to make our lives easy.
Uh, yes, yeah, Laltesh, you are right. But I like to add some more point to your honor. The thing is, we should the organizations or the government should use AI a little efficiently and more securely, because AI through AI some organizations data may be lost and can be prone to threat too. So that AI should be used securely and responsibly.
I want to add a point here. Through AI, we can learn how to build our technical skills as we are upcoming engineers, and also we can build our resume as well as we can communicate with it, so we can improve our professional communication.
Yeah, I got it actually. So at last, we are going to conclude that AI is useful, but the baseline is must be our intelligence. Our human intelligence must be integrated with artificial intelligence, which gives us wonders of results.
Should have a limit line.
Yeah, we must be in limit, and the uses of AI must be in limit. Thank you.
Hello, hello. Thank you.
Madam, will you give a review on it?
It's working. Don't tap on it.
Good afternoon, everyone. As a part of today's Scrum meeting, rather than saying this as a group discussion, I would take this as a Scrum meeting today, which is being organized by our team. So today's topic on which we are going to speak is the role of AI agents in software development. I will start with a simple statement and a concise statement, and I will take a leave. So companies like Anthropic, OpenAI are developing several agents such as Claude, Codex, and Kimi Code likewise. So these agents are literally like in place of employees, continuously the AI agents are working in means of providing artifacts, development, and production also.
So, okay, as you said, AI is working for development, production, anything, but AI can't do the whole work. AI is not supposed to do all the work except only even AI can't even take the whole thing and it cannot do the whole process even without a human.
Yeah, absolutely. Based on the requirements that we get from the client itself, we need to process that further in first phase, and then we need to give that access. Recently, the Claude model, which has been developed by Anthropic, preview version of Mythos 5, which is Fable 5, has integrated web browser extension called Claude in Chrome, in which whenever a developer is asking to develop an application, from the initial stage itself, it is setting up the DNS records, GitHub CI/CD pipelines, and everything. So what do you say, Mr. Sai Praveen?
Yeah, I totally agreed with you. Rather than this, everyone should get adapted to the new technologies, and okay. Everyone should get adapted to the new technologies and use the different AI tools to build the productive development, so they can make the work complete fastly and effectively. Without using these models, it doesn't mean the work is not affected, but time management and all these will get affected. So I think everyone should have a basic idea, knowledge, and awareness on of these AI tools, and everyone should integrate the AI in their works. So, however.
So, as my view, I think AI shouldn't do the whole work. Even making use of AI will definitely stop human creativity. So, what do you think?
So, by using AI, we can also improve productivity and make work easy, and it takes less time to complete any work.
Yeah, absolutely. What you said is correct. As nowadays AI is being the most prominent tool for everything. Um like many tools like Copilot, ChatGPT, or many more are very useful in nowadays. Everyone can survive by using that. What did you say?
Yes, you are saying that correct. Nowadays, AI is very useful for everyone, and developers are using AI for their applications. But when you are using AI and copy paste that code without understanding it, it will be um, more difficult when the problems came. So using AI is very important with knowing how that gone through it.
And as guys, you have mentioned many of the GPTs, right? You have mentioned Copilot as well as ChatGPT. Rather than this, in the market right now, we have CLIs, which are command line interface. Like whenever we give a prompt, rather than copying and pasting the things that have we practiced in a traditional manner, right now the CLIs such as Fable 5, Opus 5, as well as Sonnet 5, whenever we are giving access to that specific directory, like specific folder, and whenever we give a prompt, automatically it is creating the files itself, and no need of copy paste. So in this means, it is also a threat for jobs, in my point of view.
But it is also a beginner friendly to use.
So it may help for those who are new to the technology and the
AI is a very useful for AI is a very useful tools for software development, but it reduces security and privacy to the software development.
Yes, I'll do agree with your statement. And nowadays, I agree with your statement. And for the AI, mainly the software developers need the communication uh, to communicate or to complete the work very fastly and efficiently. With so it is very important.
So as Trivedita said, it's very useful to beginners, and as we know, as a students, we use AI a lot for creating projects, for creating web developments, everything. So as of my point of view, I say that AI is also a threat to software engineers to get their job, and also a beginner-friendly environment to create, to help students to grow their skills.
As Dhanush said, AI will reduce the jobs. Yes, it's correct, but not completely. It will replace it, the jobs. The nature of the jobs are changed. The nature of the process will be changed, but not completely. The jobs are done.
as Maha said, but students are completely depending on AI. They are not at all using their creative thoughts. So depending completely on AI is also not the correct way. So thank you. This is
I would like to say that I would disagree with your statements because basically the development just has changed. In early 90s or 2000s, we used to program in C language, and coming from 2015 till 2020, we used to have this plain HTML5, CSS3, and JavaScript, vanilla, and many more libraries. But coming to the development in 2025 and 2026, this has been significantly changed, and the significant change has occurred with the Node.js libraries which have been developed. So these Node.js libraries are being like booming like anything. So these libraries can be easily built by the agents which we are building, and the agents such as Fable 5, Kimi K3, Command Code, DeepSeek, Grok, DeepMinds, and many more agents have been working out very significantly just to reduce the mitigation risks that we are getting right now. So we are not going to have any vulnerabilities to. Likewise, how the languages has shifted from the traditional methodologies such as C language to Node.js libraries. In 5 to 6 years, we can expect that the roles such as software development engineer SDE will be changed to AI engineer. That's only the thing that's gonna be changed with this.
So the role of AI will be definitely depending on the situations. As Dhanush said, it will be the AI will definitely replace the software developers are definitely going to be replaced by AI in the future. So it will be depending on the situations, what and how we are using it. Thank you.
Yeah, basically, depending on the hypothetical situations and aspects, it will be working likewise. Thank you.
Uh, Good morning, everyone here. So, what if I tell you that the problem that we face every day is a question for an innovation tomorrow?
Yes, I agree, Vamsi. Actually, every innovation starts with a problem.
Yeah, as like that, like the we have many problems like from the traffic jams to the maps and long billing queues for the innovation like smart self-checking out systems. And I don't think like the problems may create the burdens. I think like it may help us to be more innovative and create more solutions. So like any of you can share any insights of the problems that you have faced and how innovative that you have been solving that.
So basically, my opinion is that every problem is not an obstacle. Okay, it start with a simple solution. We have to put our efforts for that innovation. That's my opinion.
In my opinion, every problem. As I agree, every problem gives a chance to find the solution. So instead of complaining the problem, we should try to solve the find the solution to the problem. Like real-time examples, like college attendance system. Uh, it take much time to take attendance while during the classes, so we have to create different websites or apps can saves the time. So every problem can make uh, thinking of an opportunity.
Problems are daily in our life. Most people are a problem is obstacle, but innovative people to create solutions.
Yes, Swati. Actually, problem makes the people to think differently and create new ideas and develop new ideas, problems, and this increase the to innovate new things.
Uh, as so much, if, when you face the problems, you will think different for the solve the problems to make a optimized solutions for the like uh, it leads to entrepreneurship in like you have so many problems are make the you make a solution, it makes the business for the entrepreneurship. It likes that problem is always to solved by innovative techers
So, as we are discussing about it, every problem should need to find a solution, and every people will think in a creative way, and they will get different solutions. By this, we can create very much solutions that have much creativity, and also by this, we can increase and share our thoughts with one and each other. So I think problems can increase the creativity in our self.
Before creating the solution, we need to analyze the problem very clearly. It is treated as the design thinking, I think, and we also improve the already existing projects, and it is also treated as innovation.
Yes, Vamsi. Innovation doesn't mean that creating a new idea or a new solution for that. It is also meant by improving the existing solutions as well.
So yeah, as we have been worked on many solutions, like it may be for the semesters or it may be for the personal development. We all made some innovations and we all made some projects which may leads to the many opportunities, like we just see a problem in the real world example and we work hard and we strive hard on that problem and we made a solution. Either it may be like it may be a technical stuff or a non-technical stuff, whatever it may be, we just invented something which may reduce the problem or eradicates that problem. So as of now, you and me are going together and looking forward for as a to solve a problem in this semester. So how like you are feeling about that we can achieve, like how it would be innovative, how it would be innovative like to solving a problem?
Actually, solving a problem means if a person gets a problem, if a person gets a problem, actually forces to think differently uh, than in normal situations, and also he get an ideas then how to uh, solve the problem in an innovative way rather than the existing one. Also, how to get maximum the stuff out of it.
So in conclusion that the problems doesn't create any obstacles, and the problems doesn't mean we shouldn't afraid. It is just a question like, is there something innovative for this problem, or can we create a solution which is much more innovative to solve this problem? In it may be innovative or it may be recreating the something, but whatever it may be, creating a solution will always is a problem solving. So we have to look for the opportunities which is always around us, right? So which is always around us. So and thank you if
Yes, I agree with you, MC.
yep, and thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Good evening, everyone. So, in our lives, AI become the most important part. Many people think that it may destroy jobs and it may create the new jobs. Firstly, entry-level jobs like data entry jobs people may lose their jobs because they will stick to the one skill only. They will not learn the new skills and not adapt to the new technologies. What do you say, Aditya?
According to my perception, the AI can create the jobs or destroy the jobs, because I will tell one real example. We all are students. Some students are using AI in a good way, or some students are using AI in a bad way. AI using good way means they are gaining the knowledge and gaining the new skills and new technologies. But AI using bad way means some students are copying the questions and answers. They are not proper well to that particular jobs. And
In my perception, AI can't be replace all jobs because of AI can be create new jobs, AI development and data science and cyber security. AI will be taken all jobs, but humans will be definitely taken. Human will check the requirements and code analyze it clearly.
I agree with you, Adinarayana. As you said, the people who will learn new technologies and new skills will definitely know how to use the AI and how to adapt with the AI. They will not see AI as a competitor. They will use it and improve their skills and adapt to the situations and the company conditions.
Um, uh, I agree with you, Hamsudha. AI replace jobs, like reputation jobs. During the automation, our government provides a program, upskilling programs for their to move to another career paths, and some of the industries replacing their workers, and without replacing their workers, they are trying to learn new technologies.
My perception is AI is AI is both job creator and job destroyed. Advantage of AI, automation. AI means quickly and efficiently. It is giving information of analyzing the questions. It is a saving time also. It is using healthcare and upgrading the books students also.
We can learn with AI without rather than take it as a competitor.
We confidently don't say that AI is a job creator or job destroyer. Basically, AI platforms who use AI, they have achievement success in AI also. We have learned Python, Java, these both are important in, we used in AI. Basically, engineering students are AI using, misusing. They don't, they
As you all said, I agree with you all. But I think more than a destroyer, AI will transform the jobs. So we need to adapt to that. We should not see that as a competitions. In fact, it should not be like human versus AI. It should be how human uses the AI with their skills. Thank you.